All right, it is day 2 still, second time of the day. I just did, was it Bloodstone I just did? Yeah, Bloodstone. So that was a different, um, it was, it was really quick, meaning that it was poses, but they were really power poses, and I felt really great. It was hard on certain parts. My flexibility, like I said, is getting there, but I can tell it's going to get better. I'm challenged to do that, get more flexible. But anyway, just want to say it's my second time today on day 2, so I'm feeling awesome. I'm getting ready to head to the Y for steam and sauna just to relax and have a great date night with my beau. But you can hit me up on www.bootcampdiva.bodybyvi.com. You can go to my YouTube, www, what you on now probably, YouTube/getbodybyvisexy. Get sexy by, well, whatever. I'm kind of dizzy from this class. So anyway, have a great day, and namaste.